Hey, I'm in a 2015 Kia Optima, and today I'm going to show you to open the trunk. So first you're going to make sure everything's unlocked, which you can do from your key as well as the door. And then your keys, a lot of times they'll have a button to unlock, as well as if you hold this, it'll pop your trunk. Otherwise, you can check the door here, but that'll open it as well. You can see it popped it. So it's loose now. That's what that component looks like. Make sure there's nothing stuck in there. Same with this, make sure there's no debris in here. If you have to, you can release it from the inside as well. From here, which is, as you can see, it says pull. And you can access that through that split. Like a lot of times you have like a hook tool or something. That's it. And then you can see too, if this didn't pop open auto, this button will do it too. Just like that. I hope that was helpful.